Hey, hi everyone, this is Sir Ravi Agrawal. So there's an ICA announcement which is talking about opt-out due to COVID 2019. Okay, so students are in panic mode. They are saying, sir, I opted out, but I'm not COVID positive. So what report do I have to submit? See, guys, there's nothing to panic here. Understand, when you were opting out, there were three reasons over there. One, you are opting out because you're COVID positive or you're having symptoms of COVID positive. Second, you are staying with your family members who are COVID positive. Or third, you are falling into containment zone. So you could have ticked any option and you did it. All right. So here ICI is telling, if you are COVID positive and you were writing up the exam, okay, while writing the exam you got COVID positive, and now you have to submit a report in only that case. If you were having symptoms of COVID, okay, then you don't have to submit any report. If your family members with whom you are staying, they were COVID positive, in that case you don't have to submit any report. If you were into containment zone when you opted out, okay, you don't have to submit any report. So only if you were writing the exam and you got COVID positives and now you've opted out, so in that case only you have to submit the report. In case you fall into, like, I had symptoms, that's why I opted out, you don't have to submit any report. Okay, so nothing to panic. If you've opted out and while writing the exam you got COVID and now you have to submit a report, only in that case. So there's nothing to panic. It's just that ICI wants to sanitize and take more precaution in those centers where the students got COVID. That's it. So relax and continue your preparation for January and February 2021 attempt. All the best. All the best. Don't waste time because very limited time left. If you're thinking that you have exam in Jan and Feb and you've got a lot of time, no, it's just 50 days left almost. So hurry up and all the best.